All new at 9 o'clock, an elderly disoriented man gets lost in the rain after his family claims Emory Midtown didn't properly care for him.
Yeah, Don Kemp and his family spoke exclusively with CBS 46's Brittany Edney about how they say the hospital put him at risk of getting seriously hurt. Brittany?
Sharon and Thomas, Don Kemp's family say that the 68-year-old suffers from cancer and shingles, adding that sometimes he sees things. He's actually been admitted here to Emory Midtown several times this year, so his family says the hospital should be familiar with him. But they add this time the hospital dropped the ball, putting Don in danger.
I don't think I was going to make it.
In his boxers and a hoodie, Don Kemp was crawling along Peachtree Street in the rain early Sunday morning.
The rain was kind of like ice.
Police called his brother Hollis, and he started searching for him.
The worst thing about it is them not knowing he was gone for such a long period of time. He could have been dead.
Hollis found him around 3:30 in the morning, crawling on the ground.
That come from where he was down on his hands and knees when we found him.
So he took him back to the hospital.
Then they come and put the alarm on the bed, so if he get up out of bed, they gonna know. But that was supposed to already been on there.
Hollis said they also added this bracelet.
They told me that there's no way that we could see every inch of the floor. They don't have to watch every inch of the floor. They watch their wing.
We asked Emory Healthcare about this. They sent me this statement saying in part they can't comment because of patient privacy rules.
My reaction to that is that Emory is trying to cover up their mistake.
If I could just get up and walk out of a hospital where I'm supposed to be constantly watched, who can feel safe?
Don also told me that when he was here along Peachtree Street that he was lost and extremely scared because he was alone and that no one out here would actually help him. So it was a really frightening experience for him and of course his family who was out looking for him as well. Thomas?
So Brittany, what is the family hoping to get out of all of this?
They said that they hope this sends a clear message to the hospital and is kind of a reminder that they need to make sure they keep a close eye on patients like Don, to make sure that they follow proper protocols like when they have the alarms on the bed, as you heard in our story. So they said that they really hope that this doesn't happen to anyone else's family member in the future.
Yeah, certainly a big cautionary tale for a lot of folks who have a loved one or may have a loved one going in the hospital anytime soon. Brittany, thank you.